Today, we will explore the powerful practice of therapeutic writing, an incredibly healing tool that can help you release emotions, gain clarity, and create a sense of inner peace. Whether you're new to this practice or have tried it before, this session is designed to guide you gently through a therapeutic writing exercise that will help you connect with your thoughts and feelings in a deep, meaningful way. Find a quiet space where you feel safe and undisturbed. Sit comfortably with your feet on the ground and your body relaxed. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Let go of any tension you're holding. Focus on your breath. Feel the rise and fall of your chest with each inhale and exhale. Now, bring your awareness to the present moment. Let go of any worries or distractions. You are here now, ready to begin this journey of healing. Now, open your eyes and take the pen in your hand. In front of you, you have a fresh page. This is your safe space. A space where there are no judgments, no right or wrong, only honesty and expression. Let's begin with a simple exercise designed to release emotions. Take a moment to think about how you're feeling right now. Are you carrying any tension, sadness, anger, or confusion? Whatever it may be, it's okay. Write down the emotions that are present for you. Don't worry about perfect grammar or structure. Just let the words flow. Start by writing down how you're feeling without holding back. Let go of any filters. If words come to you, whether they make sense or not, write them down. Let your pen be an extension of your heart, releasing what's been held inside. Now we'll move to a more reflective exercise. In this next part, I invite you to write a letter to yourself. Write to the you that needs love, understanding, and support. Imagine that your future self is giving your present self advice, compassion, and wisdom. What would they say? Begin your letter with "Dear," your name, and then allow your thoughts to flow. Perhaps you need reassurance. Perhaps there are fears or doubts that you want to express. Let the letter be an open dialogue, a conversation between the parts of you that need healing and the parts that are ready to grow. As we move toward the end of our session, let's focus on the positive. In the final exercise, we will use writing as a tool to bring clarity and cultivate gratitude. Take a deep breath and write down 3 things you're grateful for today. These can be small or big, anything that brings you a sense of peace or joy. It could be a person, a moment, or even an insight you've gained. Writing about gratitude brings us back to the present moment and allows us to appreciate the positive things in our lives. No matter what you're going through, there's always something to be thankful for. Let the words you write reflect the gratitude in your heart. Now that you've completed your exercises, take a moment to reflect on what you've written. Notice any shifts in your emotions, any new insights you've gained. You may feel lighter, more centered, or simply more aware of yourself. As you close your journal and take a deep breath, know that you've taken an important step toward healing. Therapeutic writing is a tool you can use anytime you need to connect with your inner self, release pent-up emotions, or simply gain clarity. It's a practice of self-compassion, understanding, and growth. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. Whenever you're ready, you can return to your writing and use it to continue your journey of healing. Remember, the power to change, grow, and heal is always within you.